Guys, welcome again my YouTube channel. Like be many of my friend asking to me like me making on this video English language. So I will be tell you how to be completed to be this play and read the target like be 9473 like be space Derby's game like be available now. So morning time I will be making video in Hindi language. So I will be try to be explaining you how to be completed to be these meters. I will be show you, and please I request you be carefully completely watching this video, then you will be understand now what I'm telling to you, because many of people asking me about this making this video. So I will be completely helping to you, just only I request you watching now, and I will be support to you completely, and I teach you how to be completed to be this game meters. Okay, so let's start this video, because I'm already be download this game now, because like be 300 3200 500 2050. So this like be meters. So I will be tell you how to be completed now, because everything so much easily now, only watching be completely video, then you will be easily understand now. Okay, so let's start this video. Guys, I will be come here in on this group, I will be starting this video. Listen me my guys, because first of all be seriously watching this video, because I will be completely helping to you how to be completed to be this meter. People can't understand how to be completed, because this is the method I will be explaining you how to be complete now, because when you will be starting this game and you will be understand know how to be completed meters, you will be check on this game when you will be starting this game. So first of all I request to you, you will be completed to be your card space purchasing now. Okay, this time I will be 15 like be 15 card space I will be purchasing now. So I want to be more, I will be, you see like be flight height 17 and 18. Okay, so I will I if I want to be more, so this time because I have 15 spaces, and you checking now on here be gold, and many of eggs come here, how much you will be more earn with this egg and this magnet lamp, everything so much like if you do get now. So you sorry. Okay guys, you checking out sometime here be available like the x3 is a x3 option, because if you watching any little ad, so you will be get more triple type this, you will be earn coin. So I tell you already everything so much easily now. Why I asking you be carefully watching this video, because everything so much easily, not to be anything hard on this game, just only I tell you something, and then you will be understand how to be completed to be this measures. You will be checking now, and this is the stone, you will be carefully x more important if you catching, so this more will be you earn coin. Okay, so this time you checking now, it's AI like 6615 coins I have. So first of all my first of provide like my thinking my feelings, I will be purchasing to be card space, you checking now 16. So maximum guys, maximum like the 50 card space you will be purchasing now, then I will be give you 100 percentage guarantee, you will be easily completed to be your like be meters everything so much. But first of all you will be playing this game after like the 3 hour, and just only purchasing like the card space maximum 15 card space you purchasing now. So then you will be easily completed to be your meters, because people sometimes not be understand now how to complete it now, but I will be explain you how to be complete now, because I'm every time be thinking about this game, and many of people asking me making please about this video. So today I will be Hindi language, and before I will be today like the afternoon time I will be making video on English language. So because I will be caring more my friend, because my subscriber every time be supporting me and like my videos, comments me every time, so I really happy feeling now. And but I will be try be everything to be making this video every game, and because which game I will be using like sorry which application I'm using now. So because many of people not to be understand sometimes, so but I will be completely helping to you how to be making this video, because completely I will be helping to, because you see now I am be first of all card space purchasing now, this time 17 I will be purchasing card space. So I will be try to be 15 card space I will be purchasing, then I will be easily completed to be my depths meters, because everything so much easily. First of all, because if you have 15 core space, so this mean like you will more get coins, then you will be easily complete your meters. If you know to be completed your meter, so this is not good, because first of all you will be purchasing meters, then you will be easily completed your meter. Card space more important for you. Card space you will be purchasing, then you will be earn more like the coins, and you will be get easily your get your reward everything. Because some people don't telling to you everything about this game and how to be completed to be this meter, but I will explain you how to be complete now. So I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.